Hey, Commander, morning. Yes, Commander. I was just analyzing nje, ne? Kiwo wonke nje ama media spaces ne. I-DA is campaigning against the MK kuphela. I-ANC is campaigning against i-MK kuphela. I-EFF is campaigning against the MK kuphela. Ne? And other small parties, small parties angibale ama-murderers. Ne? Ukuthi whenever bevula umlomo, they have to speak about i-MK. Yazi, in fact, thina nje sikhulumela nge-MK lana, singama MK members, sikhulumela nje. Kodwa in fact they are campaigning for us. There is no way ukuthi all the opposition parties they have to talk about MK. All the analysts lana, abantu aba-analyzayo, even here go TikTok, YouTube, they have to speak about MK. Yini le kwi-MK? Awucabanga, i-ANC said you can vote whoever, but don't give the MK power. How? I-DA vimba i-MK. Ne? I-IFP ningayinikezi MK amandla. Kushuthi they are fine. Everything should is fine ngalamaqembu aphethe kwi-GNU yakhona le fake. Yabona? Ne-EFF ngalana is campaigning against us. Kanti yini le kwi-MK? There's something special about the MK. Abantu base South Africa, they have one duty kuphela. One duty. 2026 and 2029, they have one duty. It's to vote MK. There is no way ukuthi Freedom Front Plus ban is campaigning. Lilodwa nje iqembu Nkosi yami lingakhulumi ngabi ngomkhonto wesizwe. Liyi-one nje represented the parliament nong namang ne National Colored Congress ne kanye ne lentozi ne ATM wonke amaqembu i-campaign yabo is based ekutheni they must stop i-MK to access i-power. Shuthi bona babona abantu base South Africa be-right benerisekile about izinto ezenzakalayo. I-obsession yabo ukuthi they must stop i-MK ukuthi ibe ne-state power. Nonetheless, kumnandi, keep on advertising MK. Keep on advertising MK. You see what even 2029, njalo 2024, we were using Amakot to mobilize our people. Those controversy awayenzakala kumkhonto wesizwe asista kahle ukuthi abantu bazogcina bebona kanti yini obsession ngomkhonto wesizwe. You see ukuthi ubona ngisho abantu bakephi yabona the non speaking people them trying to speak isiZulu just to criticize the MK. Awushem bandla. Awushem bandla. Anazi nina. Anazi. But we are happy. Keep on advertising us. keep on advertising us. So ngeke sibe nama influencers amaningi, ngeke sibe no YouTuber abaningi who will speak good about MK. Kodwa nje your effort is noted. So siyajabula nje. Qhubekani niyenze leyo nto leyo. Sibhizi thina ribhizi. Ribhizi. Ngomhla ka-30 khona into engifuna siyenze lapha eSoweto eWard 24. Emandeni vele siyoshaya ipenalty eWard 18. Ngiyanitshela, speak about the work of your organizations. leave MK business to MK people. Not unless we are assisting us ukuthi sithole lento esifuna ngoba vele sizoyithola. Ngoba vele sizoyithola. Awucabanga wena on a daily basis your content is based kwi-MK, but you are not an MK member, voter or supporter. Yazi thina sakhula nje sisho kahle ukuthi asikhulumi ngeopposition. Asikwazi ukuyinikeza isidima iopposition. We don't speak about opposition thina. We speak about MK matters here. If you can go to my YouTube channels, pro MK, they speak about MK matters. They speak about the work of the organization. We don't speak about opposition at all. So asikwazi ukuthi sinikeze isidime opposition. Those that limping dog, it's almost done. So and that one of the white party will never grow beyond 22%. We know ukuthi racism, racist will always vote for that party. We know it. We don't even count the other small political party because they are just small political parties. Even if they can get 5%, it will be lucky. We don't speak about a regional organization, the organization which is based in that section there. No, we are serious here. We want 2/3 majority of progressive parties, and we'll get it. And we are capable even to achieve it alone. Kodwa ke seniyasilekelela nani. Siyabonga ukusilekelela. Siyabonga nje.